Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. Over the past few years, I've really gotten into leggings, and so when I find a good pair, I find it really exciting. This is a pair of full-length leggings. It's from YUNOGA, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They fit so well. They're a compression pant, but they're not overly tight. I opted for the size small, and it fits me perfectly and feels really good. I really like the high waist because I feel like everything is tucked in and really keeps me nice and feeling trim and fit while I'm walking around in them. They are great when you're exercising with them. They really move with you. This pair that I'm wearing is like a really nice, beautiful dark mauve color. It's very reminiscent of a desert rose, and I just really love these pants. They do not have pockets, but they are really well stitched, and I love that the tapering right down to the ankle is just really nice and fitted. They wash really well, so I washed them and hung them outside to dry as I do with all of my leggings, and I'm just really impressed with the quality of these, that they are so comparable to higher end brands. Feeling good when you're wearing your leggings really is half of the work when it comes to exercise. I just think that it makes you feel confident, and it also makes you just feel like you are ready to move and go. This pair of pants will do exactly that for you, and that's my point of view.